Medium Global Dagger Brush and Fusion 1-Stroke Unicorn Sparks. Paint one flower to the side of your eye. Now paint another flower on the side of your cheek. I'm using a Mark Reed Lily brush to paint some double-dipped petals. Dipping your brush in some white paint, I'm using Tag White. Paint some dots to the center of the flowers and near the petals, filling in some space. Now, using my Dagger brush and Global Royal Jasmine 1-Stroke, I paint some swirls coming from the flowers. I'm using Fusion Deep Teal to paint more dots near the white dots. There you go, a simple, beautiful tropical eye design. You could add palm leaves, glitter, shadows, and more highlights.